some beef fat from the butcher. It's got a bit of ground beef mixed in it. We're going to render that down. Here we have the ground beef we're going to put in the frying pan. We're going to add 2 cups of water to go with the ground beef and the beef tallow. It's going to melt down. We're going to turn the heat on, and the water is going to collect the garbage and purify the beef tallow. Here we got the beef tallow boiling away. We're going to turn the heat off. We'll boil this for about 6-7 minutes. We'll turn the heat off on that. And then we're going to take the rendered down beef tallow and beef to clean it. We'll strain the ground beef, all the garbage meat out. All depends where you get your beef fat from. There was a fair bit of ground beef in there. We'll just pour that into the strainer. Just like that. We'll take and tamp it down and get as much out of there as possible, and then we'll just throw that out. There you have it. Now we have beef tallow. It's purifying all the garbage is going to the bottom. We'll set it overnight. As you can see, it's turned hard. We're gonna take the hard beef tallow off, and underneath is the garbage. The little small chunks of meat will be left in the water. So this is the way we can purify our tallow. So we're gonna take that now and put it in a pot, and we're gonna render it down again. There you have it, all the garbage that was in the beef tallow, small chunks of meat. We'll just throw that out. Now we're going to put a half a cup of water this time, and we will turn the heat on and render the beef tallow again, and we'll get the garbage settling down into the water again. As you can see, it's almost all melted. And we sat it overnight in the fridge again, and as you can see, the beef tallow is getting harder, more purified, with the waste going in the water in the bottom again. And as you can see, it's nice and hard, and we're going to use that in the future. You can use it for cooking, or what we're going to use it for is to make lotion bars. So hope you like the process. Hopefully you can use this process for yourself, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next project.